Good morning, children. We will move to the last topic of this chapter, the folk dances of Gujarat. Now, various dance forms are being seen in different communities of Gujarat, and these dance forms depend upon our traditions and customs. The main are the tribal and the folk dances like Garba, Ras, and Tippani dance is there, or so many other dance forms are being done in India, and all these dance are seen at the time of festivals and marriages. Okay, so in this topic we will see the different dance form being celebrated in India. Gujarat Utsav, isn't it? Full Gujarat is famous for its Garba. We know that living in Gujarat we celebrate Garba with full enthusiasm. Now the first form of this dance form is Ras. Now, Ras is especially being performed in a circle with singing also, and this is a story that has been told by Lord Krishna, okay, to its devotee Narsingh Mehta. Okay, Ras is mostly performed in Gujarat during the time of Navratri, and Dandiya Ras is one of its main types. Okay, and due to the increasing influence of the Vaishnav sect, Ras has been more popular in Gujarat. Now in this, women wear traditional dresses like embroidery chanya choli, and men also wear kediya, okay, while performing this Ras. So this has been, we can say, started during the time of Lord Krishna. Here you can see the men wearing kediya and the women wearing colorful chanya choli playing the Ras Garba. The Ras is an original traditional dance form of Gujarat. Now secondly we will move to the Garba. Now Garba is derived from the word Garbadeep. Okay, the earthen lamp is placed in the whole earthen pot. Okay, we have seen एक earthen pot, मिट्टी का pot लेकर उसमें हम दिया जलाते हैं during this Garba times. Now dancers keep it on their head and move around in the circular form. Here in this picture also you can see the Garbadeep being placed on the head and the diyas are being lightened up in this. The Garbas are performed during Navratri festival in the month of Asosud Ekam or Asosud Navami, or somewhere during Dasam also the Garbas are being played. Now Gujarati people perform and sing Garba and pray to Adya Shakti, that is the goddess of power, that is Jagadamba. Okay, generally it is performed in the open ground and circling to the mandvis kept in the center of the ground along with the strokes of hands and the beats of drums. You all must be playing Garba with full enthusiasm. Okay, we all are fond of this Garba. Okay. Now Gujarati poet Dairam wrote many poems in Gujarati which made the ladies sing the colorful and the emotional Garbi of Lord Krishna. Here also you will see the women having that small pot on their heads and playing Garba. This is the traditional form of playing Garba. Now secondly we will see the tribal dances. The Ras, the Dandiya Ras, the Garba are the, we can say, still being continued in our we can say the city areas, but in the village or the tribal areas the tribal dance forms are being practiced or being we can say the people enjoy these tribal dances. So in Gujarat different tribal dances being played around. Now tribal dances are being enjoyed during the time of festivals, marriages, fairs, okay, and that too to please the god and the goddesses. Especially these tribal dances are being done in a circular form with different traditional musics, and they use the instruments like drum, manjira, thali, dholak, etc. Okay, during the dance form they also imitate the voice of the bird creatures like peacock, squirrel and sparrow. Now dances like Malino Chalo, okay, and Thakrio Chalo are seen in the Dang district of Gujarat. This is one picture I have shown you about the dance form being enjoyed by the people of Dang. And this is the Tippari dance. Now Tippari dance is special dance of laborers being performed by Bhil and Koli communities. Now dancers perform this dance in a group, okay, on the set of thick sticks which are joined with small sticks stuck to the ground. Here you can see the girls playing this Tippani dance with having sticks in their hands. Now next other folk dance of Gujarat is the Dhamal dance. Now this Dhamal dance is specially being done by the Siddhi communities of Gujarat. Now Siddhis presently reside in Jambur village, okay, in the center of Gir. Okay, now these perform the dance rhythmically striking Mashira. Mashira is what? A coconut shell containing the earthen lap inside, covered with a cloth. You can see all the Siddhis being playing this Dhamal dance, and they wear the peacock feathers and hold small drums in their hands. In this picture also you can see the peacock feathers along with the drums in their hands. They dance with high and a low pitch, saying ho ho ho, isn't it, which echoes all around. Now they dance in group, imitating the voice of animals and the birds. Next we go to the Gop Ganthan dance. Now this dance is also being performed on drum beats of tal and lay, okay, with music, tying a rope with mandap or a pillar or a tree and holding the other end in their hands. They perform this dance in a group, holding the rope in one hand and dandiya in other. This is the traditional Gop Ganthan dance. They make cripple-like formation, they move inside and then they come outside. This is being repeatedly done in circles. This way they make and open the ganthan. Ganthan is हम हिंदी में जिसको गांठ बोलते हैं. This style of dance is called as what? Gop Ganthan dance. With these pictures you can imagine the type of dance. The next is the Merayo dance. Now this dance is seen near the stepwells of Banaskantha region. Okay, torrents are being woven with the tall grass of reed and junjari. Junjari is sickle. This dance is performed on drum beats and with the sword sticks they play this dance. This dance form is also called as Merayo dance. Next is the Padhar dance. Now this Padhar dance is done by the people of Padhar community, okay, and with we can say dandiya and manjira. They do this dance. While dance they generate the scenes like sea waves or a ship moving on the sea waves. You can see the pictures of Manjira Ras of Padhar community. Here also the Padhar dance being done. This is the new way of doing the Padhar dance. Okay, the present trend of doing the Padhar dance. The last one is the Koli. The Koli dance is being done in Saurashtra, holding Madrasio, which is a colorful cloth for tying on head and headgear, turban we say, and decorated embroidery and mirror tied with green colored embroidery belt. Okay, they wear a belt on their waist to perform this dance. And the last one is the Mare dance. This dance is a speciality of Saurashtra. Okay, and you can see the pictures of Mare dance, okay, being played in Saurashtra, Mare folk dance. Okay, so now in this chapter till now we have discussed the various Indian culture, and India we can say is an amalgamation of all the different type of cultures. We see the handicraft, the painting, the dancing, all the cultures are being performed or being seen in India. So India is a very having a very rich and a varied heritage, and we are being blessed being born as an Indian. Okay, now children, go through the full chapter, a little bit big chapter but a very easy chapter to understand. If nothing you understand or any of the part you have been missed out or you are not able to understand anything, just give me a message. I will help you out. Thank you, children.